Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Isa po itong major update po sa kaso ni Paulo Tontoco. If you remember po, way back first week of April, according to my source, there were Asian-looking men po na pumunta po doon sa BHPD and had a closed-door conversation or had a closed-door meeting with the supervisor or the head of the department. And almost an hour po na meeting po doon, that was when they announced that the case was going to be superseded and will be handed down to a higher investigative team. And I believe it was around the same time na nilimit na po nila mag-release po ng any information about what's going on with the case. And nakausap ko po kasi kanina po ang source ko, and he positively ID'd one of the person who had a meeting with their supervisor. Ito po, pina-describe ko po sa kanya, puti po ang buhok and Asian looking, and may nag-google po ako na picture at ipinakita ko po sa kanya, and my source positively ID'd JR. I'm not going to say the complete name because I'm not allowed to, but the initials of the person who went there po sa BHPD and had a conversation or a closed-door meeting with their supervisor has an initial of J and R. Grabe, no? Ang gobyerno mismo ang pumunta doon. Ang kakapal talaga ng mga mukha nyo. Grabe. Ginagamit nyo ang resources ng Pilipinas para lang maprotektahan yan si Lisa Tanas niyang hayop kayo. Hayop kayo. Mga baboy kayong lahat. Baboy ang presidente, baboy pang first lady. Ang kakapal ng mukha. Grabe. So yun na nga po, gobyerno po natin mismo ang pumunta po dito para i-shut po ang investigation. I don't know what happened. I don't know what kind of conversation they've had there because according to my source po, it was a closed-door meeting. So there were definitely negotiations that were done. Nakakasuka na. God save the Philippines.